Bore da, everybody, and welcome to the first of our Clyde Glass Gets Active live videos. Now, this is not only the first of today, this is the first for Clyde Glass YouTube. So it's a new thing for us all. It's very exciting. Now, the first one today is a live cook-along with Mrs. Gillies. Make sure, I know I've got my iPad over here so I can see who's commented. We've had a few comments. Alfie Morgan, you were the first one in this morning. You were the first comment, so good boy. I hope you're making the breakfast with us. And I'll be able to see everybody's comments as they come in. So make sure you write any comments or any questions you've got for myself and Mrs. Gillies, and we'll try and answer them, okay? So, hopefully you can all hear me, and hopefully you can all see me. That's really important, so fingers crossed for that. And shall we start? We'll get Mrs. Gillies into our call. Now, let me see. Need to add her in. And hopefully Mrs. Gillies will be in her kitchen, in her house. Let's see. Bore da, Mrs. Gillies.
Hello.
How are you?
Bore da.
This is very exciting, isn't it?
It's so exciting. I'm so excited to be here.
I know, aren't we? Now, we've got 21 people watching us, Mrs. Gillies.
Wow.
So we've nearly got a whole class of children.
Wow. Bore da.
Oh, Ella says hello. Fiona and Aira saying hello. Oh, it's very exciting. It's very, we're very modern, aren't we? We're very up to date in Clyde Glass.
Very techno. Has everyone got everything ready?
I think so, and I think I'm ready. I'm not the most organised, but I think I'm nearly there.
I'll go through what we've got then, shall we? So, just so we're all prepared, because that's the key to sort of cooking. I've got a tea towel here. I've got a wet cloth ready. I've got my compost bin. I've got my ingredients all ready. I haven't washed them yet. I've got a bowl of water to wash everything so I'm not back and forth to the sink. My colander, my blender. I've added in some porridge oats this morning. After seeing today's lineup, I thought we might need some extra energy.
Definitely.
So I'm going to pop smoothie to keep us going. I've got my glasses ready over here with their.
Very posh.
We're all set to go. Are we ready?
I think we're ready, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Mrs. Cardy's just said that Alistair and Hugo are ready as well, so that's very good.
Morning, Alistair. Morning, Hugo.
Yeah, let's crack on.
Good. Okay, so we're going to make a healthy breakfast smoothie this morning, and we're going to make it rainbow themed. Now, I've tried to get as many different colours of the rainbow into my smoothie as possible, but the main thing here is obviously using up whatever's in your fridge. We don't like any waste. So I'm going to start with some reds, some oranges, some strawberries first, okay? And I'm just going to pick off the tops. So I'm not going to cut them because I don't want to waste any of my strawberry, okay? And I'm going to pop them straight into my colander here, okay, ready to be washed. So if you get picking your strawberries, or start with your first piece of fruit. This is exciting.
It's important to wash them, isn't it?
We're going to wash them next. Yeah, I'm going to pick off the, I call them the spiders. Pick off the top bits first. Okay. So I'm using about...
MasterChef, Mrs. Gillies.
Just like MasterChef, better that. Okay.
How many strawberries?
I've got about quarter size strawberries. Purple size, okay. So I've got my strawberries. I'm going to dip them into my water here. Obviously, you can use your sink, but I don't want to sort of be back and forth to the sink this morning. So I'm going to drain them off.
I'm just washing mine.
Oh, I forgot to mention, but I've washed my hands this morning, obviously before cooking this morning as well.
And I did.
And I straight into my blender. Okay, so that's our first colour of the rainbow there. Okay, next we're going to add, okay, so you've got cough. We're going to add orange. Okay, so this is our glass of orange juice. You need a glass of orange juice or a glass of apple juice to obviously make it more liquidy, okay, like a smoothie. I'm going to pour that in next, just on top. Okay, good big glass of orange juice. And this should sort of do about 4 small glasses or sort of 2 big ones, depending on how many people are in your house. Okay.
Well, that's delicious.
Okay, so we've got corn, we've got orange. I'm going to go for melon next, okay? So whatever you've got, I'm going for banana. It's a good way to use up your old bananas. They're sort of brown in the back there. Did you know, I was looking at bananas last night, and if you get bitten in the garden, if you keep a banana peel and you rub it on the bite, it stops itching, apparently.
Wow, that's a good fact.
Little banana fact for you this morning.
Oh, we've got some more hellos, Mrs. Gillies.
Oh.
Sammy and Siobhan. saying hello. Mrs. Hatfield's watching from the hub. Hello, everybody in the hub.
Oh, poor dog Hatfield, poor dog Griff.
Fantastic.
Okay, bananas in. I'm actually going to add in a little bit extra banana because Mr. Gillies would like some this morning as well. So I'm going to add a little bit extra in this morning. Okay, so I've got my banana, my strawberries, my oranges in there. So 3 pieces of fruit. Okay, I'm going to go next with the green. Now, lots of you will be going, oh, you won't taste it at all, okay? You can put kiwis in or something like that, but I'm actually going to use spinach.
I was a bit scared, Mrs. Gillis, of the spinach, I'll have to admit. When I thought about putting spinach in, I usually put it in my curry, but I've never put it in a smoothie before, so this is a new experience for me too.
You won't even taste it. It's a good way to get your green into your smoothie. And it's good for muscles, which I think we all need today, don't we?
Definitely.
That's what you need. Now, I have washed my spinach, so I'm going to pop it straight in.
A handful?
A good handful of spinach, okay?
Lovely.
You won't even see it. Okay.
Ooh, Alfie has added mango and strawberries and granola. So like you said, it's anything you've got, isn't it, in your house? Anything you like.
Oh, yours sounds lovely.
Yeah, I wish we'd thought that.
Okay, I'm going to go in with the blueberries next, or whatever your last sort of fruit is there. So I pop them in a good handful size, okay? And I'm going to give them a little rinse in my bowl. A little shake. Oh, it's getting there. I think my blend's getting rather full. It's looking very colourful over here. Now, I didn't put this originally, but I'm going to add a little scoop of porridge oats because I thought it would make it a bit thicker and give me a bit more energy for today because I think we're definitely going to need it. So
I'm going to grab some of them.
If you've got some oats, pop them in. If you haven't, don't worry, but I'm going to pop a few in mine.
One of these sachets would be a good one, Mrs. Gillis? That's probably the right amount, isn't it?
Plenty, pop it in. I've just used a small little sort of pot here. Okay, so I've just popped in some porridge oats just to make it a bit thicker. Okay. It's going to sound now like the north of Cardiff has got an earthquake as everyone puts their blenders on, okay?
Yeah.
So, pop your lid on.
Make sure the lid's on. I think that's a really important point. But if it's not, then please send us the pictures of your disaster smoothies.
Please do. We love a disaster smoothie. Okay, are we ready? Should we do a countdown? Countdown. Three.
Oh.
Right. Oh, ready?
Go on, Miss Gillis.
3, 2, 1.
I think I put, oh, hello. I think I put too much spinach in. Mine's very green. I'm going to add a little bit more strawberry.
You're very green. I think Mr. Pinnell's going to turn into the Hulk after his smoothie this morning. So, I've got my glasses already.
Oh, your glasses look amazing.
Well, it is a special occasion. I wanted to feel like I was on holiday. Here we go.
Well, the sun is shining. We're very lucky.
We are very lucky. What lovely weather for a good day. Okay. Let's pour these in.
Mine looks a bit like green sludge.
Oh, it'll taste good.
What do you think, boys and girls? Do you think it looks delicious? Whose is nicer, mine or Mrs. Gillis? I think I think I know which way it's going to go. Oh,
where are you going to enjoy yours, Mr. Pinnell?
Pardon?
Where are you going to enjoy yours?
I think I'm going to sit out in the garden because there's a little bit of sun back in West Wales. I know Cardiff is sunny today. I was looking at the weather forecast, but we haven't.
It's a bit sunny here in Bath.
Oh, is it? Oh, well, we've got a little bit of sun, but there's a bit of cloud coming, so I'm going to enjoy this in the sun. And then at 10 o'clock, we've got Mrs. Hammond's yoga. Are you going to be joining us for that?
Yeah, I'm going to enjoy mine in the garden before some yoga at 10, I think, this morning.
Fantastic. Is Elliot and Ada, your little boy and little girl, going to be joining us for the yoga as well?
They will. They've gone for a little walk this morning, just to make sure there were any technical that I can sort out. But
Elliot's actually... Should we find out how much money we've got up to on our Just Giving page? Let me have a little look. Let me just read some... Mrs. Kennard thinks that mine doesn't look so delicious. She thinks yours looks the nicest.
You tried it yet?
I've got a lot of comments saying that mine looks interesting. I don't know if that's the right word for a smoothie. Who else have we got saying hello? Mrs. Wong, I saying hello. Hello, Amy.
Hello.
Who else? Oh, Mrs. Williams from Blwyddyn is saying hello. Mrs. Westgarth is saying hello. Bore-da, Mrs. Westgarth. Bore-da, Miss Walters. This is very exciting. We're like Joe Wicks, aren't we? We're just like Joe Wicks.
You're like a celebrity.
Right, let's have a little look then. Let me see how much money we've got up to. So, when Mr. Hart sent his message this morning, he said that he'd seen that it was just over £400, but I think that I've got some very exciting news.
Drum roll.
Drum roll. 1 minute. Oh my goodness.
How are we doing?
Our target, Mrs. Gillies, was £500. And when we came up with that target, we thought if we can get £500, that would be amazing. But right now, already, just at the start of our day, we are up to £570. Give yourselves a massive clap. A little bit more dancing later on, this is good. Brilliant. Okay, so that is absolutely incredible, everybody. We are overwhelmed with how much money people have given already. If you haven't yet, then please feel free to go onto our Just Giving page. There's loads of links on our Twitter. Ask your nannies and bampies, your family, your neighbours from a safe distance. If they're just over the wall, you could ask them to sponsor us or donate something to our charity. Now, that's Mrs. Gillies' cook-along is done for now. But Mrs. Gillies, you can't relax too much. Don't fall asleep in the sun because we've got to do our lunch at 12 o'clock. So we'll be joining you again.
In fact, I'm going to get ready now. I'm going to put all this away, clean the surfaces, and I'm going to get ready because at 12 o'clock, we're going to make our rainbow wraps and our energy balls all at the same time. So you need to have everything ready.
Okay, so what we'll do, we'll post another picture, boys and girls, on Twitter, maybe half an hour before, just for you to get ready, and then we'll take it from there. Fantastic. Okay, well, shall we say goodbye to the boys and girls and I'll stop this live stream? I don't know if this is going to work. You might see a little bit of the background, but who knows? Bye-bye, boys and girls. See you at 10 o'clock.
See you at 10.